Did you know that the average traveler overpacks by a shocking 20–50%? That means, on every trip, you're carrying extra weight that you don't need. According to a survey by Travel Plus Leisure, 55% of people admit to packing things they don't use. Imagine that, half of your luggage could be completely useless. Overpacking not only makes your bag heavier, but it also wastes time, money, and energy. In this video, we're going to break down 6 simple but powerful habits that will help you pack smarter, lighter, and stress-free. If you're tired of lugging around an overstuffed suitcase, keep watching. We've got the ultimate packing tips you won't want to miss. Chapter 1. The 5-3-2 Rule. Your new packing formula. Let's start with a simple yet powerful rule, the 5-3-2 Rule. It's a formula that can help you pack the right amount of clothing for any trip. The idea is simple. Pack 5 shirts, 3 bottoms, and 2 pairs of shoes. Sounds basic, but it's surprisingly effective. By sticking to this rule, you avoid the urge to throw in extra clothes, just in case. Research shows that most people wear about 70% of the clothes they pack, and that number jumps even higher with a simple formula like this. You'll have enough outfits to mix and match without crowding your suitcase. The best part? You can reduce your packing time and stress significantly, plus, your luggage will be light enough to carry around effortlessly. Chapter 2. From, maybe I'll need it, to, I definitely won't. One of the hardest habits to break is the, just in case, mentality. You know, when you pack that extra sweater, umbrella, or pair of shoes because you think, I might need it. According to a survey by Travel Plus Leisure, 60% of travelers admit to packing things they never end up using. Overpacking happens when we believe we'll encounter situations where we'll need something we've never used before. But here's a game changer. Ask yourself this one question when packing: will I actually use this? If the answer is no, leave it behind. This shift in mindset is a crucial step toward packing light. Marie Kondo, author of The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, often says, does it spark joy? Ask yourself the same about each item. If it doesn't belong in your bag. Chapter 3. The Power of Packing Cubes. Organize, don't overpack. Packing cubes are game changers. Instead of stuffing your clothes in a pile, use packing cubes to neatly organize your items by category. Studies show that using packing cubes can reduce luggage volume by up to 30%. This simple organizational trick helps you see exactly what you've packed, preventing you from throwing in unnecessary extras. Plus, it keeps everything compressed, so you're maximizing every inch of available space. It's a must-have for anyone serious about light travel. Think of packing cubes as your personal Tetris game for your suitcase. Not only do they keep your bag neat, but they make it easy to grab what you need without rummaging through your entire bag. After all, if you can easily see everything you've packed, you're less likely to add more things. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more travel hacks that'll make your next trip a breeze. Chapter 4. Maximize your outfits. The art of packing versatile pieces. When you overpack, it's often because you pack too many outfits. Did you know that you can create multiple outfits from just a few versatile pieces? Packing smart is about choosing items that can be mixed and matched, no matter where you are. Think of neutral colors like black, gray, and navy, which pair well with almost anything. Fashion experts agree that 3 tops and 2 bottoms can easily create up to 10 different looks. You don't need to pack for every possible situation. Just pack for the ones you're most likely to face. A simple black dress can be worn during the day with sneakers or dressed up for dinner with a nice pair of heels. By focusing on versatility, you'll only need to pack a few key pieces that work in any setting. Chapter 5. The one item, one purpose habit. Another common trap is packing items that don't have a clear purpose. You might throw in that extra jacket, just in case it gets chilly, or an additional pair of shoes that you think might be useful. But do you really need them? The one item, one purpose rule helps you think about every piece you pack in terms of its value and function. If something doesn't have a specific purpose, don't pack it. This habit helps you avoid overloading your bag with unnecessary extras. Book author and minimalist Joshua Becker often says, the more you have to manage. When it comes to packing, this couldn't be truer. Only pack items that will serve you directly during the trip. If you can't pinpoint exactly when or where you'll use it, leave it behind. This approach keeps your luggage lighter and your travels simpler. Chapter 6. Digital Overpacking. The silent space hog's overpacking isn't just about clothes. Your gadgets, chargers, and cables can also take up valuable space in your luggage. Many travelers don't realize that digital overpacking can be just as bad as packing too many clothes. On average, the typical traveler carries 3-4 gadgets, and almost all of them require their own chargers. Before you pack all your tech, ask yourself, what do I actually need? Most of us don't need every charger, adapter, or extra gadget in our bags. Streamline your digital devices by packing only the essentials, like your phone, tablet, and one charger. Consider a multi-functional charger that works with all your devices, cutting down on the number of cords you need to carry. Digital minimalism can free up valuable space in your bag and reduce the weight you're carrying, giving you more room for the things that matter. By following these 6 simple habits, you'll stop overstuffing your suitcase for good. Packing smart is all about being mindful of what you really need, choosing versatile items, and staying organized. Remember, traveling should feel freeing, not like you're carrying the weight of the world. If you found these tips useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more travel hacks. Safe travels.